Hello guys, welcome to this video. So to start off, I want you guys to know, I've made over $100,000 in 2 days before. I've made $10,000 pretty much every single day for the last few months of when I'm making this right now. It's definitely more than that in the future if you're watching this. But anyway, all I can say is making money online is crazy. And it was never like this for me, by the way, guys. And I'm sure if you've made money online, you know the same thing. Like the first sale you make, it's like the craziest thing ever. You freak out. You're like, dude, this is real and I know I can replicate this. And then some people go on to just crush it from there. And some people go on trying new things and trying to figure it out still, and they don't see success for a little while longer. And I was that way because I started very young. I got my first sale on Amazon Associates, made multiple websites. I ran traffic with some of the stupidest ways ever. Free traffic sources that were like Pinterest and stuff like that. Horrible. And I'd run it to my site that was custom coded because I knew how to code websites, still do. Partnered with a friend to do this. And we built a site, Amazon products, and we listed them on there, very unique Amazon products. And we made a sale, and it wasn't one of the things we promoted because anyone who buys something through your link, you get a sale for and commission for. It was like some book about relationships or something. And I won't forget that ever. It was like 12 cents that I got from that sale. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is real. Then I went on to do CPA marketing, which CPA marketing, as you know, I crush it with now. Like I make 6 figures a month just from CPA marketing alone. And that's like super gratifying because it's super cash flow. It's super cash flow. And that's just from one traffic source, the biggest in the world, YouTube, okay? And that's just passive right there. I mean, I add new videos to it all the time. Entertainment videos, I got everything automated. I make the content a lot myself. And it's just like, it's so passive and it builds and compounds on itself and it's crazy. And, conversions come in freaking every minute. And these are like $2 or $3 conversions. And like I'm telling you right now, making money online is a journey. And knowing what works if I were to restart, and I can tell you right now what works. And that's what this is about, this training, like what actually works in internet marketing and making money online. This is crazy. This is one of my most passionate topics I love because it got me out of depression. The number one thing that kept me from being suicidal and depressed and giving up and stuff was like the desire to make money online. Like I didn't want anything else. It was that one thing that was like, man, if I can't do this, I give up. Like I don't want to work for someone else. I don't want to have a job. I don't want to live a normal life. I don't want to be stagnant and not improve. Like I nonstop learn every day. Like it's like 6 hours per day, and still I'm able to especially in the past, it was 6 hours per day, every day. Like every day, I mean, in high school, I had no social life, sacrificed everything. I'm telling you guys this because making money online is truly a journey, and it's a very, very much so wanted thing in many people's lives because so many people live lives they don't like. Like, do you like your life right now? Perfect. If you do, perfect. And you should always be improving for more. I would say most people, when they acquire the dream and goal they want, they're happy for a little bit, but then they want more. That's just how it works, And I can tell you right now, I'm going after big stuff right now in my life currently, and it will not stop. It will not stop. And that's what makes humans so cool. The best apex predator in the world, as Tom Bailou says, or whatever his last name is. He says, best apex predator in the world is humans. We're able to adapt on a dime. We always want more. We're always curious. We're just powerful people, powerful creatures, powerful animals, and it's sick. So how do you make money online? Let's talk about it right now. To make money online, the first tip I have to give you is you could sell a crappy product or you could sell a good product. Your choice right there. That determines things right off the bat. Like there's a lot of choices in the journey. There's a lot of tools you can use and stuff like this. But the product, you gotta have something to sell. And I highly recommend if you're starting and making money online, get into affiliate marketing because you're a beginner. Okay. If you're advanced, do affiliate marketing, do whatever, do your own products. If you're a beginner, you could totally do your own products. I know plenty of success stories who've done that. I got started in affiliate marketing, promoted other people's products. All I needed was a link. If someone bought through my link, I made money. That's how it works. It's that simple. But the key is sell something that's high value in their eyes, that is valuable, and, solves a problem is the best route to go if you promote your own stuff or affiliate offers. Those are the only 2 routes you can go. It could be services or products. It could be digital or physical products, and it could be affiliate offers or it could be your own products, okay? Those are the routes you could take. And, it needs to solve a problem, or it needs to guarantee a result, or it needs to be high value for what it is. And it needs to be no-brainer. And I'm going to tell you what makes money and what doesn't. If you sell logically, you're going to make way less sales. If you're not an expert about what you're talking about, and if you're not enthusiastic about what you're selling, you will not make sales. Does this make sense so far? These are the secrets, go. This is what makes money. And there's the 20% of knowledge that produces 80%, 100% of your results. So it's like double down on the 20% that matters. If you want to become like the 10,000 hour rule in marketing or making money online or anything like I am currently, like I'm way over past that. And it's like, I've nerded out about some of the most minute details of different things at this point, and it's not going to stop. So I tell you, there's the 20% though that matters, truly matters. And that consists of absolutely being an authority. That makes money online. Getting consistent traffic all the time makes money online. Story selling creates like connection and emotion, and people buy that, okay? People buy into that. We buy into that. And then there's a couple other things I'll rant about here too. But in general, a great offer, guys, this is the first tip I wanted to give, like I've been talking about. If it's a no-brainer, they have no choice but to buy. So some techniques you could do in affiliate marketing is add bonuses to whatever you sell. And how you fulfill that is like you say to people in your messaging, don't just sell first off this angle, okay? You need to first do emotion. And then people buy logically and justify logically, okay? So you tell to them, basically you tell them, buy this through my link. This is if you do affiliate marketing. And then you're like, email this email with proof of purchase, and I will email you the bonuses, okay? And that's it. You fulfill the bonuses, you just give them a link, they go get their bonuses, and the bonuses are worth a certain amount of money basically to them. They get it free if they purchase through your link. And this has made me a lot of money in affiliate marketing if I promote stuff that's a cost per sale offer. If I promote something that is an email submit offer like sweepstakes, sweepstake can sell itself basically. But if you have a story behind it, that ups the offer. Does that make sense? When people buy into status increases too, and I could rant about this too, it's like a very powerful accelerator to getting more sales online. People buy into status symbols, people buy into, intelligence, people buy into beauty, like symbols of stuff. Like these are status increases. People buy into cool, simple, creative, innovative, and like emotional stuff. Like it's emotional. People then justify logically. So don't forget that. That's the most important thing. And have a great offer you're selling. It could be your own or someone else's. Now, the next tip to make your money online is get traffic. Everyone struggles with traffic. So I'm going to tell you what my journey was personally. I got started back in junior high and high school, testing tons of stuff. Like, I mean, tons. And, I messed up on different things. I messed up either on I didn't have a good offer I was selling, or I didn't know how to get traffic at all. Okay, so let me tell you some tips that will get you traffic no matter what. And traffic is one of those things where there's several routes to it. You could do paid or you could do free traffic. I recommend do both. They work hand in hand powerfully, and I'll explain that right now. Have a great offer, okay? And have multiple offers. Don't forget that. In online business, you want to be selling more than one thing because you can have multiple income streams at that point, kind of. Like you could, if they're all in the same like business, like multiple products and services, you could spend money on traffic, promote something high ticket, and you could get lots of sales of all your stuff at different price points. Percentage will always buy, and people will buy the low stuff a lot, and people will ascend the value ladder you have, okay? But yeah, traffic. So you're gonna be able to spend traffic only. Don't spend any money on traffic unless you have either really high conversion rates and high average order value, or you have something high ticket in the back end and lots of stuff to sell. That's the only time you should get into paid ads ever. And if you really get into paid ads, there's one more thing. You need to make sure your front end is converting very high, with cold traffic. Cold traffic is people who have no idea who you are. You're entering into a new market and you need to basically sell to them. How do you sell cold traffic is with high trust and likability. You need to associate your product with status symbols and with authorities. And if you're an authority, you need to build that credibility and explain. And that's like the main thing that works with cold traffic. If you implement that the right way and involve that inside your marketing. Social proof is very powerful with cold traffic too. Numbers that are high of like social proof and reviews and stuff like that can help a lot with cold traffic. With hot traffic, it's different, which is like an audience you built, who knows, likes, and trusts you. You've given a lot of value to, And like, it's hot traffic at that point. They know you, they've spent time with you, they know who you are, and they like you and trust you, and that's powerful. So that in marketing and making money online is like the key. Hot traffic. You could promote a new thing whenever you want, you will make money. And the best traffic source is an email list. Build your email list, get people as leads into your email list, and market to them new products, and do a launch or whatever whenever you want, and you will make money. You'll make a lot of money. Okay, it works. You can promote affiliate offers, your own offers, stuff like that. That makes money. If you're doing Amazon Associates, stop. The only time you should is if you have a lot of traffic, and the only best route with Amazon Associates, if you're wondering, just as a rant, YouTube for sure is a great traffic source. Plus, absolutely having a blog. But YouTube's better than a blog, but there's massive blogs out there for Amazon Associates, okay? But you need to be an influencer in a space of either reviewing products or just having your own niche, and then you recommend certain Amazon offers. Anyone could do this, and anything they buy through your link in your Amazon affiliate link, you get a commission for. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. Definitely do the route of YouTube or a blog. Okay, so that's that. The other thing, there's actually a very interesting thing too. Like, there's some, I've seen this. It's very, very crazy. I remember seeing an ad for an Amazon book. Okay, and there's this person's book, and their link was actually an affiliate link to their own book, because they actually, get a sale of their book, so they get more money for that. But anything else people buy through Amazon, they get like a commission for too. So it's like really, really smart, okay? So you could do that. You have your own products on Amazon, and you do affiliate marketing and build up like content and traffic to your thing through an affiliate link. And that can be powerful, but I'm not saying Amazon's the secret ever. I'm saying a great offer, and Amazon has a lot of great offers, but then there's affiliate platforms like ClickBank that has their top offers, then there's Digistore, then there's Max Bounty, but then there's your own offers, and you can structure these offers to crush it. You can partner with massive authorities in certain niches. You can associate them to your own products too, and you can market to their audiences and crush it. That's hot traffic, baby. Like, that's money, okay? That's how it's done. So anyway, the most go-to strategy if I were to restart, YouTube's made me a lot of money. My second channel makes 6 figures per month. YouTube's the first thing that ever made me big money. I built up my second channel. It's an entertainment channel promoting affiliate offers, and I did other channels throughout time that just have made me money, man, like a lot. And YouTube's the way. I mean, it's the biggest platform out there. So if you want to make money online, don't get into anything else other than YouTube. You want to build your audiences. You want to create lots of content where people spend a lot of time with you, and then they want more value and they'll buy your products and stuff. And you want to push people to more platforms. You want to get people into an email list and build an email list, because you can instantly print money on demand by selling something new or your same stuff and just getting in front of people with a new marketing message. You can also promote new videos you have, okay? New content. You can push people to new platforms. Okay, this is how making money online is done, guys. Lots of offers that are great converting and tons of traffic. And the best traffic sources, YouTube and high quality traffic sources are the best. You can boost things with adult traffic if you choose to. I talk about that on my adult channel and stuff like that. But like where I talk about how to make money in the adult industry just by marketing in the cheapest traffic in the world. Like, it's the cheapest ever. There's no competition, tons of volume. But anyway, like in general, the secret will always be stick with something long enough that's a good niche. Like health, wealth, or love niche is great. Be passionate and enthusiastic about what you're selling. If you're boring and not passionate about what you sell, you're not gonna make like hardly any money. Like, literally, you need to literally be excited about what you sell and passionate, and that shines through. That shines through. And if you're an expert and authority in what you sell and stuff, and what you talk about, and you're probably gonna make a YouTube channel and stuff, that's where the money's at. Okay. The other route you can do is build a cash flow channel, which can work. But the truth about that is, like, you want to make great content. It's always going to come down to great content. It's like, you can make a cash flow channel, but if your content's crap, it's never going to get pushed, and it's going to become just like a waste of time in a way. So you want to build it up. It's valuable content in a specific niche. You can do multiple channels. I mean, I have personally multiple channels that are around my personal brand, and channels that are totally separate and just cash flow channels that are great content. I hire great people to do it. I do it myself too. Like, it's so important. Now, the last thing I want to mention is combining free like traffic with paid. And this is how you can accelerate stuff through the roof. So let me explain my strategy in the most simple way without too many details, where you can get more details behind the paywall of very powerful programs I have. I highly recommend the Master Bundle because it has everything in there, okay? So basically, guys, you want to have a lot of offers, and most importantly, a high ticket thing to sell that converts, like something that's high ticket that's actually making money and sells and converts. So then you want to make a lot of content, and if you're broke or something, okay, you want to have stuff to sell still and make content and do free traffic until you have money. All the money you make, I mean, you gotta pay taxes anyway. Throw all your money, if not 90% of it, at ads. Okay, and the best way to do this, and you got to do YouTube, trust me, like YouTube's the way to go. Then you can get into Instagram's the next best, and then Facebook, and then anything else is great. But building your own traffic that you own is very powerful. It's an email list, and it works like crazy. An email list is everything. An email list for freebies works for more freebies in a way, and low ticket stuff, and it can work for some people who will buy the high ticket stuff if you have a big enough list. But people that are buyers who have bought from you, they're going to buy more stuff, okay? Like, that's just how it works. So buyer email lists are very valuable. Anyway, you're going to be doing YouTube, making a lot of content, and you're going to use the YouTube ad platform, which is called Google AdWords. And you're going to basically boost your best content that gets the highest sub for view ratio, and you'll see that if you use vidIQ. And literally, you'll know those best videos. You'll know just by the view amount that they get because it has good metrics, basically. But anyway, you're going to promote your best videos, and it doesn't mess up your data. It's totally separate. The algorithm keeps that data separate. The views that are advertised views and the views that are organic views, it's totally separate in the data, and YouTube knows that. So it's very powerful. Now, you're going to basically do, it's called, you could do in-stream ads, but you're basically just going to do like display ads, okay? These videos of yours, they just get showed up as an ad. If you've ever seen it inside YouTube platform, you know, it's so cheap, by the way, how much you pay per view. It's so cheap. And you basically are getting in front of your exact audience on other channels. You have a route you can take though in targeting. You know, by looking at analytics, who actually follows your stuff. You know the age, the gender, and location in the world. Now you just target that, but then you target people who follow certain channels relevant to your channel, or you just target exact keywords. You can do 2 different total campaigns, targeting keywords and channels, okay? And then, you know, you push people to great content, you build an audience, it's just cycling like crazy. You're growing. You have something high ticket to sell, you can spend a lot on traffic without caring. Because if you sell something for $5 or even like $50, you only can spend so much until you see a conversion or feel scared and have to stop your campaign because you're like, this is not profitable. The truth is, you could be not even like break even, okay, and build an audience and then just launch a new product whenever you are ready, and you will make a lot of profit right there, okay, to the audience you built. And this is like top secret to make money online, and I could go more in detail about this, but guys, this is like super valuable video. I know you love this, and I know a lot of people are gonna make money from this. Let's go. And go check out my other programs, definitely the Master Bundle, because I mean, it's got everything inside of it, all my programs that give value, like in depth, because they're paid programs, right? And like, you guys are guaranteed like a huge result in your life, like money. If you want 6 figures, you can absolutely do that with the information side. 7, 8, like you can grow to 8 figures. And you know, you have to have high it factor and high VRIN score if you reach 9 figures or beyond billion, okay? Like, that's what it is, and this is super powerful stuff. Like, tons of you guys are gonna become millionaires from this information that I have inside all my programs, and it just hypes me up because I get so much joy from seeing everyone get crazy results. It's so beautiful and amazing to me every time I hear it, okay? So I'll see you guys inside that. I know you enjoyed this. Peace out. Thank you for like, comment, subscribing on the YouTube channel after watching this, if you're not subscribed yet or whatever. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Peace out.